moncho murele abo getasani ya Kisii hot niko na wakiringa mbye mono asinge ncho ko rebere byagon chika kicha kwanda gusanga amone ntokera chingaki bya muna asinge ncho ko getasani ya Kisii hot une getasani kyabene ekiyo kumanya mangana goitira asenchera yo mutandao kura chingongo nyechense buna butambe ncha samuretane niko nkuru kondipto Dennis gosena buwancha unangeri ko kuri konto niko na kwarega nitonyorbocho riga asenchera yabene tuko chaka amone financial budget ye mwako yego 2023-2024 ime county ya Kisii aba MCA bakoragwa amone muteneriwe committee ya financial budget ime county ya Kisii omuskepita kichana otachi uyo manyike buna enyororo tituko lya rero niko vice kore niko bakorege saransu kyabene anene muno kyo gosoma financial ya budget ye mwaka 2023-2024 eje gushikura county ya Kisii korengana noroboti robene twegwa kurwa ase amagacho amanene ye county ya Kisii niko bono county ya Kisii yabekire budget ya 13.8 billion budget yabere igoro mono gweta ni ase emyaka ya magiga yesa county ya Kisii echakiwa yona boigo budget enere intangani gocha asomu governor we county ya Kisii omusike Paul Simba arati niko na kwareganirie tonyara roboti riga ase enchera yabene korengana na kwareganiria kurwa asa magacho a Kisii county
is Peter Gichano Otachi, the Chair Budget and Appropriation Committee. Today we excited having passed the budget. This is our first budget since we were elected, and also Governor Simba Sarati first budget. And in this budget we have a total revenue of 13.8, which is the highest ever since devolution began here in Kisii County. We also
Abemsebe County ya Kisii bakoragwa amono muteneriwe committee ya budget ime county ya Kisii omuske Peter Gichana Otachi ritukolerero niko basomo financial year ye county ya Kisii yo mwaka bwechibere 2023 waiko mwaka bwechibere 2024 nona boigo kukwana asitukolerero omuske Peter Gichana Otachi nate babuna enero budget entangani kima gesa county ya Kisii echakiwa ebwate chibesa chinyinge nona boigo enero budget entangani kima woche ase mugavana we county ya Kisii muske Paul Simba arati budget yiga niko yabe kwa ye bwate chibesa 13.8 billion niko nto etengweti gwetera ti ministry au muna babika chibesa gocha chinsemo echo hingo gochakira ti ministry au muna chegwa chibesa korengana ne budget eyiga ya rosigwa ya 2023-2024 togochakira ase ensemo ya agriculture gose chindimiro asensema agricultural transformation for wealth creation niko county ya Kisii egochikwane kyago kinya na kurenda chi endagira ase county ya Kisii awo asbabe kachibesa chisani kucha sensemeyo ase financial year ya 2023-2024 county ya Kisii asensemo ya agriculture niko yabeka 864 million echichi chikubaganwa ase chinsemo imensemo ya agriculture asensemo ya national agricultural and rural development project county ya Kisii niko yabeka 250 million asensema national agricultural and rural inclusivity project county ya Kisii niko yabeka 150 million tokwanda asensema ATC infrastructure development county ya Kisii niko yabeka 42 million tokwanda asensema fisheries development niko yabeka 44 million Tusuka asensemo yende ya support to manufacturing sector for productivity and wealth creation. Niko asensemo yo county ya Kisii yana na chibasa chile 100 million. Echichi chabe kwa wetra ase financial year ya 2023-2024 kocha asensemo ribaguru kabuna establishment of county integrated and agro-industrial park. Kocha ase ministry ya bochenu wose affordable healthcare to all niko county ya Kisii erigete uchukinya ebirengo bye bochenu gocha asaba menyibe county ya Kisii awosaba bekechi basichise ne gocha asensemeyo noina boygo gotira ase financial year ya 2023-2024 niko ensemeyo ya eruchi base chichire 4.2 billion echiuchi kwane kya nsemo gokina chire asensemo eyiga yobochenu noina boygo ningo gochokwerera eyemo aseyemo korengana buna chibase chigacha nyara kuba chikubaganwa ase ensema yiga ya obocheni gose healthy ase ensema infrastructure development nigo babekire 315 million ase ensema ya construction of cancer center nigo babeka 620 million ensemo ya purchase of medical drugs niko account ya Kisii yabeka 142 million. Ensemo ya leasing of medical equipment niko babekire 124 million. Completion of Rihanna and Musocho hospitals niko babeka 67 million niko chasi kitadi cho. Ensemo ya rehabilitation of medical equipment niko babekire chibasa chire 43 million. Ase NHIF indigents niko babeka 25 million. Ensemo ya contracted community health frontiers niko babeka 20 million niko che ensemo yo. Koche Danida niko babeka 14 million. Tokwenda ensemo ya mache kose ministry ya mache account ya Kisii nigerengete kuchukwana na ebirengo bya mache aise niko chasa bumenyi account ya Kisii na kwenda na amache ayale amachenu. Nona boyiko kwetira ase financial year ya 2023-2024 nigo bono chibesa chabekiru chise niko cha ensemo yo. Bunango kwerera bune ekubwatia. Ensemo ya water schemes niko bairwe 85 million. Ensemo ya drilling of boreholes niko bairwe 183 million. Ensemo ya springs protection niko babeka chibesa chire 83 million niko cha ensemo yo. Kiko kwera ayemo ase ministry ya chisemi kose quality and relevant education account ya Kisii niwe negative chukina ebirengo bichisemi imi account yo. Naona boyiko kwetera se financial year ya 2023-2024 niko account ya Kisii yabika chibasa chise neko cha ensemo yo. Naona boyika se epachete iga niko babeka 1.3 billion chibasa chiko chikobaga na ase chinsemo eri chukina ebigwango bichisemi ase account ya Kisii. Toko chakira ensemo ya ECD infrastructure development niko account ya Kisii yabekire 184 million. Ensemo ya capitation fee for learners in vocational training centers niko babekire 40 million. Ensemo ya purchase of educational aid and other equipment niko babeka 15 million. Ensemo ya bursary scheme niko babeka 225 million. Ensemo ya construction of hotels in vocational training centers niko babeka 4.8 million. Toko enda ase chinsemo ya chikosori kose sports development account ya Kisii niko yeko chukwene kya kukinya ebirengo bya chikosori na animono koreta kolika talent chirichire ime account ya Kisii. Ase financial year ya 2023-2024 niko account ya Kisii yabika chibesa chisa ineko cha ensemo yo. Naona boyiko niko babeka chibesa kocha ase retainer wall ase geti kya kusi stadium ase babeka chibesa chire 20 million. Ensemo ya purchase of generator at the stadium gosegeti Kisii stadium niko babekire 10 million. Ensemo yuko kinya EBT image ward cha account ya Kisii niko babeka chibesa chise niko cha ensemo yo echichire 66 million. Tokwanda ensemo ya support for the vulnerable groups niko serikali ya account ya Kisii enegati kuchukinya ebirengo na wakonya abantu bari batari kwenyara ime account ya Kisii. Nonye na boyiko niko bone account ya Kisii kwetere financial year ya 2023-2024 niko babekire chibesa chiko konya chinka chitari kwenyara na anene mono kwagata chinyumba. Ensemo yo kwagata chinyumba kocha ase chinka chitari kwenyara kose vulnerable families niko bone account ya Kisii yabekire 40 million. Ensemo ya distribution of umbrellas kose kwana na amaburi kocha ase bomenye account ya Kisii niko babekire 22.5 million. Koche ensemo ya environmental conservation niko bona serikali ya county ya Kisii ekuchikwana kya kolenda climate change kose kolenda rire na anene mono buna batebiruna ni wachikubeka mustari mutu asengencho kolenda rire niko kuchikokonya kukinya economy ya county ya Kisii. Nana bwe kukwetera financial year ya 2023-2024 niko bona account ya Kisii yabeka chipesa chise nego cha ase climate change echichire 52 million. Toko na ensemo ya Enablers and ICT. Ensemo ya digital connectivity and innovation niko bona account ya Kisii erengete ko chiko kinya technology ase account ya Kisii anene mono ensemo ya social economic transformation and for improving efficiency productivity. Ase financial year ya 2023-2024 niko bona account ya Kisii yabekire chibesa au cha ensemo yo. Ensemo ya ICT infrastructure and development system networking niko bona account ya Kisii yabekire 210 million ensemo yo. Asensema ya purchase of ECD digital equipment niko bwana babekele 16 million towards the end of the Asensema ya hospital management information system niko babekele 5 million. Asensema ya county human resource management system niko babekele 5 million. Asensema ya fuel monitoring information system niko babekele 4 million kocha ase sector yo. Wokwera wika Asensema ya county expenditure tracking wetera ase financial year ya 2023-2024 yabekere tochiba se chire 13.8 billion nganchere ngweti wetera ministry mna chiba se chenya tikuba chiko baganwa ase Ensema ya public service and county administration niko baina chiba se 601 million. Asensema ya lands, fiscal planning, housing and urban development niko baina na 379 million. Asensema ya youth, sports, culture, arts and social services niko baina na 228 million. Asensema ya county assembly niko baina na 1.4 billion. Asensema ya Kisii and Okemo municipalities niko chanya na chiba sichiri 224. Ensema ya medical services, public health and sanitation niko baina na 4.2 billion. Ensema ya trade, tourism industry and marketing niko baina na 380 million. Asensema ya water, environment, natural resources, energy and climate change niko baina na 547 million. Ensema ya education, technical training and innovation niko baina na 1.2 billion. Ensema ya agriculture, livestock, fisheries and cooperative development niko baina na 1.1 billion. Ensema ya infrastructure, roads and public works niko baina na 1 billion. Asensema ya finance, economic planning and ICT niko baina na 1.3 billion.
Is Peter Gichano Tachi, the chair budget and appropriation committee. Today we excited having passed the budget. This is our first budget since we were elected, and also Governor Simba Sarati first budget. And in this budget we have a total revenue of 13.8, which is the highest ever since devolution began here in Kisii County. We also have we are anticipating a revenue of 650, because according to the projections, the highest we've ever hit is 404. So we had to do a credible and realistic budget. So we actually put 650 and also ensure that we put measures in place to ensure that we collect the revenue. This budget, it was ward-based, so every member of the county assembly was given an opportunity to allocate resources according to the priority of that ward. So you realize some departments have higher allocations, for example roads and water, because of the priority in those departments than other sectors like trade. We also have an inclusion of a shelter scheme, which will be done in every ward. We also have a trade credit scheme. We also want to pay the CHVs, the community health promoters, so that at least we can motivate them to do their job. So that is what we have for today. I want to take this opportunity to thank the members of the County Assembly, thank the Speaker and the Clerk for helping the Budget Committee come up with this report, and also thank the members of the Executive who have been very instrumental to us. The highest department was roads, which got an allocation of 1.2. Then it was followed by agriculture. And in agriculture, you realize we have what we call donor fundings. That is where we have the NARIJIP, the livestock. We also have water, health, and then these other departments fall in those categories. But the highest was roads. Yes. In terms of development and recurrent. And health, actually health was the highest, because in health you realize they have a very high recurrent amount, owing to the fact that they pay nurses, they pay doctors, and also the CHVs, and also we have the NHIV indigents captured under that docket. So health has the highest allocation in total of recurrent and development. But in terms of development alone, roads took the highest chunk of money. Yeah, thank you very much.
For appreciating me and joining them today for today's function. My belief is that this has been our first budget in the economy of Kenya, in the counties, and we have been having a very good working relations between the executive and the assembly. We feel that the budget we have read today is going to be value for common mwananchi. We want to put the value for the money we spend. I know that we have had a challenge which has been highlighted by Assembly in terms of own source revenue. We had budgeted 700 million this year. We have now dropped to 650. It's a base we want to set, because continually we have been achieving 400, 450. So once we achieve that, the base, and we know we can do more in that Our health sectors, we are focused into it, our education, our ECD, and all health sectors, our agricultural sectors, and the marketing areas, they have also been focused and are catered for in this budget. I want to focus on Kiswahili. Although yangu ni kidogo sana. Nashukuru Assembly kwa kunipatia wakati huu. Kwa jina kwanza naitwa Kennedy Okemwa Abincha. Ndio unasimamia idara ya uchumi na fedha katika Kisii County. Nashukuru sana kwa Assembly na kwa wananchi wa Kisii na kwa gavana wetu kutupatia hii wakati kujumlisha mapato yetu na budget ya mwaka hii kwenda kwa wananchi wa Kisii. Yangu nasisitiza kusema kwamba pesa zenu zitatunzwa. Tujajaribu kuweka pesa za mwananchi mahali ambapo inatakikana. Kila shilingi, kila barabara, kila shule lazima iwe ijengwe kulingana na makadirio na kulingana na standard inastahili. Nashukuru kwa kila mtu kwa kuja kwa leo. Imekuwa siku mzuri na nafikiri tutakuja kupatana wakati mwingine na Mungu awabariki. Asanteni sana.
Bimuna asengencho yokwerebere byago nishika cya kwandira gusanga amonente na anene mono kokumanya saida gasini gote kuruchingongo nyechinse nago niko twagosabire ogane gotubwate kera chingaki ase mitandao yeito yonsi yepi buna Kisii Hot TV injasa muretane ni wankurukonya bito Dennis gusena bwancha undangiri kukurikunto korene niko chika chinse cyane cyo kuringa ebisero nagosoka kurwa ase studio tatumirane nande chika kichinde asengencho komanya samwanali atwekere ase mesa. Bye bye.